Hey guys, so we got another one. Say hello to Casper. Ford F150 XLT 5.0 V8. Got it brand new, 30 miles on there. Fresh off the truck. It's a big truck. I'm tall. Even I gotta hop up. It's a nice shine on there. The color of this one is gray. They call it lead foot. Straight keys, regular key fob, Ford badge on there. Got the flip out key. When you unlock it, got the side mirrors, unlike all the lights around come on. Really nice, spacious. Let's okay. So put about almost 1,000 miles on here. Well, it is at 1,000, but that's when I got it and everything. You got it smart. You got heated seats. You got the manual plus and minus. You got the trailer backup assist. This one does not have 4x4, but it's a rear wheel drive 5.0 V8. Can definitely not feel bad about that. Traction control. You got your auto start stop button. If you want to cut that on and off, we deactivate it or activate it. It'll tell you. Okay. Let's take a look at some of the things in here. Display modes. You got your miles per hour, your tire, PSI, your mileage till empty, transmission temperature, engine, idle hours, trip, fuel. It'll tell you your MPGs, your best, your average, your time, mileage and everything that you drove. Then you got compass. The compass you can change to whenever you drive or turn a car, then the compass will move around you, or the compass will just move around you and the car will stay straight. It's really cool. Towing. I've never used a tow hitch or anything, so you have a lot of different things here. Connection checklist, trailer options, status, off-road mode. Love it. So in this mode, turn to 0, it'll tell you if you're going straight, and then little wheels right here, they'll move in the direction wherever you're headed. Say for instance you're going off-road, these little buddies will tell you if the car is turning, which position the car is in, angles and degrees and stuff like that. It's really, really cool. I love it. Settings, you got pre-collision, automatic braking system on here, the rear backup assist. Say for instance, put in review, you got your little car right here. Well, this is a truck. And as soon as you start backing up, it'll be like, yeah, pretty much. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let me see what else we got. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'll let you hear the engine really quick starting it up. Oh, it don't have the push button start on this one. Sorry guys. Just got the good old Ford. Put it in. Start it up. Let me see. Sounds great. Sounds beautiful. Okay, I'll show you the back seat real quick. Got the door right here. Got your latches. You do got a second row seat. You can fold it up, a little bit of extra space. I already got some sanitizing wipes and stuff back there. Pull this little lever right here. Let the seat back down. Back here, so you have power outlets, and then you have your regular house outlet. What do they call it? 400 max output. Yeah. Then your regular cigarette lighter. It's really nice. Love it. You got your pockets back here. Pockets back here. Put this back on there. Your lights up top. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So you have actual mirrors in this one. The other one didn't have mirrors that they gave me as an option, but you don't get the lights in there. So yeah. Also, you have your little window back here. Say for instance, you know, open and close up. Really cool. I like that feature. Brings in a lot of air in the car. Almost better than the sunroof. I love the doors. I love this idea. Oh, forgot about one thing. So say for instance you need to get in a tight spot or something. Have the doors open all the way like that. Isn't that cool? Close it up. Like that solid sound. Trunk, have yet to get a bed liner for it yet. You do have LEDs on both sides. It's really cool. When you lock and unlock it, say for instance you had tailgate on here or cover, all of this is locked, so can't nobody get in there. It's really cool. So it's locked right now. You also have a little cool light right here. You got the backup cam right here. Can't open that up. Unlock it and it's open up. So you don't get a nice tailgate let down, but look at that tailgate. This is a 6.5er, so it's got a lot of space back here. Got your trailer mount hitch right there. Got your backup sensors. Really cool. Got your single exhaust tip. That is factory, nothing from me. Love it. I see the engine. So go ahead and pull up. That's your engine. Heated mirrors, by the way. Forgot to tell you that. Okay, it should be light right here. Aha. And it lifts up just like so. You got your 5-point. Take off a little bit. That was smooth. whiff. Ooh. It's really quiet, but a very aggressive engine. Love it. Guess that's why we go way forward.